I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a drop-down list in Excel. First, select the cell where you want your list to appear. Then, navigate to the Data tab on the ribbon and click on Data Validation. In the Data Validation dialog box, choose List from the Allow drop-down menu. Finally, in the Source box, type your list items, separating each one with a comma. This simple process quickly adds interactive choices to your spreadsheet. To make your drop-down list dynamic, reference a range of cells as your source instead of typing items directly. You can even define a named range for this source, making it much easier to manage and update. Enhance user experience by adding an input message that appears when the cell is selected, guiding them on what to choose. Also, set up an error alert to pop up if someone tries to type an invalid entry, ensuring data integrity. Creating dependent or cascading drop-down lists allows choices in one list to change based on a previous selection. Start by setting up your primary drop-down list. For the dependent list, use the indirect function in the data validation source, referencing the cell with your primary list. Make sure you have named ranges for each possible selection in your primary list, matching the names exactly. This powerful feature makes your forms highly interactive. For cleaner lists, always remove any duplicate entries from your source data before creating your drop-down. To prevent others from altering your lists or source data, consider protecting your worksheet. This adds a layer of security to your spreadsheet. And speaking of fresh, if you're looking to keep your car smelling great, check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other fantastic deals. Finally, if you need to remove a drop-down list, simply select the cell and clear the validation rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.